Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sync images to music beats. First you can download this application from perl.g. Come down to SlideBeat FX and you can download this from here, or I will have the link in the description. After you download and install it, you can just run it, wait for it to open. Select folder where you have images you want to sync on the audio. I have images of cars in this folder. I can also select an audio on the desktop I want images to be synced on. Then output folder where I want to save the video. Fade is not yet complete fully, so choose cut. Based on the image resolution or aspect ratio, you can choose vertical or horizontal. In my case, they are horizontal, so I'm gonna leave it as is and press generate. This will take a while, so just wait for it to complete. Okay, it's done. It took a little bit longer than the audio length itself. Shorter the audio, shorter the render time. So let's check out the video that it generated and test if it synced images to audio beats. As you can see, application detected beats per minute, each beat on the audio, and it synced images length to that exact beats and generated video that way. If you have this use case, this application is very useful, and if this video was helpful, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.